Cartel and select matrix number BR24110081. Today, I will be explaining the function of each component of Grasscutter's internal combustion engine. Firstly, this is the crankcase. The crankcase is comprised of two components, that is, the front half of the crankcase and the rear half. The crankcase's primary function is to hold the crankshaft during its operation. Next is the cylinder. The cylinder's primary function is to serve as the site of combustion of the system, as well as housing the piston's movement. Lastly is the crankshaft and the piston. The crankshaft's primary function is to facilitate the up and down movement of the piston as it operates, while the piston converts the energy from combustion into mechanical power. Is all from me. Thank you for watching.